to know from some information that Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority is conducting the site inspection. And by getting to know, we all gathered here from the Biodiversity Committee along with our secretary, members and the local MLA. And let me tell you first, this is the first time in the history of Benaulim, I think, that biodiversity have reached to such a level where even we got the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority to come and do the inspection within a period of 3 days. आता कितें आसता जायत लोक उलयतात व्हिडिओ काडटात पण एक्शन कांय करनात म्हणजे लिगली कांय बरोवन एक्शन करनात आज आमी पयले फावटी हें केलां ते खातीर आज ऑथॉरिटी हांगा आयिल्ली आसा एंड विथ द लोकल हेल्प फ्रॉम आवर लोकल MLA वी बीन डुईंग थिंग्स विच इज अ बेटरमेंट फॉर द एंटायर Benaulim and we as a biodiversity are pretty good enough to know that these things or these sand dunes will be getting restored from the people who have destroyed it. It might take a little bit time because authorities take time and we are on the foot along with the MLA to make sure that it has been restored. Thank you.
अख्खे गोंयभर म्हाका सद्दा एक्शन म्हणून खूंय जायना फकत बाणाल्या जाता 13 तारखेर आमी इन्स्पेक्ट करून लेटर धाडली GCZMA रेस्ट ऑल ऑथॉरिटीज आनी आज म्हाका सद्दा टुडे इज द 17th वीकेंड जालो एंड टुडे CRZ इज ओवर हियर टू डू एन इन्स्पेक्शन. I think this is action. This is not just talking, and this action will go and it will get converted to a criminal offence first, which has to get registered against whoever has violated this sand dune, whoever has done the destruction. Second, there has to be a penalty, and third, there has to be a restoration plan in place. आज पयलीं सद्या प्रॉब्लम कितें जाता हें सगळें जाता कित्याक हें जाता कित्याक गोंय सरकार जो आहा त्या सरकारान आज पसून sand dune restoration or dune restoration as well as एक प्लॅन आसता ड्यून रिस्टोरेशन एंड रिहॅबिलिटेशन प्लॅन आसता. तूं केन्ना गेल जाल्यार न्यूझीलंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया ह्या जाग्यांनी जर गेल जाल्यार दे हॅव गॉट ब्युटिफूल प्लॅन्स लायक दीस. सो वी डू नॉट हॅव अ प्लॅन. इन 2020 GCZMA हॅज proposed to have a sand dune restoration and rehabilitation plan. बट आज पासून सरकारान हे प्रयत्न घेवन हो प्लॅनू केल्लो ना. सो जेन्ना प्लॅन केलो ना जाल्यार वॉट वी हॅव टू डू इज टू रिस्टोर हिंगा थिंगा स्पेसिफीक आता हो बाणाले सँड ड्यून हो किस्टोन रिस्टोर करपाचो हिंग एक रिसर्च करची पडटली आनी हो रिस्टोर करूं पडटलो. नाव इन्स्पेक्शन हॅज टू सेंड एन ऑर्डर टू द बायोडायवर्सिटी सेइंग दॅट बायोडायवर्सिटी मस्ट रिस्टोर दिस विथ द हेल्प ऑफ RDA and the money for restoration has to be taken from the owners. Now what I understand is as जी owner आहा ताजी जी चली आहा शेरोन म्हणलेली she has already come ahead and she has already said that they are guilty and this has happened and they are ready to restore. So that is one more thing which is good. But does not mean ki crime tum kortoli and magi sorry muttoli and tum sottoli. This is not going to happen. This might be happening all over Goa, but it is not going to happen here in Benaulim. So you have done an offence. You have to have a criminal complaint against you. You will have to pay a penalty and you will have to restore. I think this is what as the biodiversity also we have discussed, and this is what we are going to follow up over here. And in the history of Benaulim, for everybody, for all those who speak today, in the history of Benaulim constituency, हुंचोय सँड ड्यून आमदार येवन मुखार येवन बायोडायवर्सिटी कमिटी घेवन कोणें केलना उलोवपा इज व्हेरी इजी. But from the time this has happened, we have followed up. We had seen a video coming out from one local over here who had put a video and machine alle. Rudolfa ge video by Sollo. Things on action commence alle. So I think from there biodiversity came near me and we tried to move it. But the message is clear. आम compromise कोणा कडेन नाही. पूण हिंगा आज बाणाल्यान एक हिस्ट्री आहा की हे सगळे जे कोण आवाज कोण नाही ते हुंय जाल्यार हुंय कितें जाल्यार कितें तांकां एक एक्सट्रॅक्शन करपाचो मेथड आसता and this has been there from the past MLA's time. This trend has stopped and we do not do such kind of things, and that is being seen by our efforts that we are putting up to make sure that things go in the right manner, and we will make sure that GCZMA does things correctly here and this sand dune is restored.